Hi, Ronaldo also became YouTuber. I would like to see his Ronaldo, the world's special star, can become a YouTuber in this video. And let me explain what regards Ronaldo broke on YouTube. Come with us. Ronaldo was able to get for 6 million subscribers on 1 week, and in 19 minutes he's got a golden sign and set a special record on YouTube. Subscribe and like our channel. Come with us. Now let's go to Ronaldo YouTube channel. If you write the words Ronaldo in the search, here to see how to search is search it Ronaldo. To top search is Ronaldo channel and Ronaldo YouTube channel. Very good. Click on Ronaldo YouTube channel. Ronaldo is a football star, but he has not uploaded his football clips on his channel. He plays in jokes with his wife and upload to the channel so far. I also said that Georgia and I are uploading fun video. Ronaldo was able to get for 6 million subscribers and 21 videos in very short time. Now let's see a golden sign that he got in 19 minutes. Very great. Now let's see how much Ronaldo is taking money from YouTube. Okay, Ronaldo has a total of for 6 million subscribers. He charges $1 million a month from YouTube. Very good, very good. Now we see that Ronaldo is on the top 15 most YouTubers in the world. Added on 1 week or not? Not added yet, but maybe before that you will see in the future. Okay, there's also a series dedicated to the king of YouTube, Mr. Beast, to remove the kingdom of YouTube. And Ronaldo contact him that way very early. Now subscribe to me and Ronaldo channel to let us introduce you to more stars as well. Stay tuned for my next video. For now, goodbye.